You are here, standing before this vast landscape. The fjords of Norway stretch out before you, the mountains surround you, and the silence, except for the wind and the water. You take a deep breath. For once, there's no need to rush, no need to plan. Just walk, watch, feel. This journey is not just a way to see something new. It's a pause, a moment to reconnect to yourself, to who you are, far from the noise, the screens, the expectations. Here, in these raw landscapes, you rediscover what it means to be alive. Norway offers you nothing superficial, just the essentials. And those essentials are everywhere. You realize something. Traveling isn't just about discovering new places, it's about discovering yourself. Let yourself be carried by this land that shows you what truly matters. You're not here to get somewhere. You're here to just be.